Hi, today I have a padlock for you guys. It's a duo padlock, made in USA, Illinois lock. Pretty nice padlock. Chicago, Illinois duo. It's a wafer lock. Pretty nice lock. Thank you, Screen, for sending it to me. It is very nice to pick. It's a wafer lock, but the wafers are on three sides, top, bottom, and I don't know if you can see, but there is the third row here, so I will call them that third row, or side row, bottom, top, and side row, and it's very nice to just starting picking this, but in very nice pick. But if you're not familiar with that side row, you will probably never pick it, because a lot of time, and in my case that is the same, that side row it's binding the first the wafers are binding on that row. So I will just start picking. I will use the first diamond. It's easy for me to pick wafers. So let me start, and I'm just going to go through the bottom row and the top row. Everything is loose, so let me start picking the side wafers. It's very strange, there is that click. It's very strange for me to pick the side rows. It's a different feeling. So yeah, I think I did not set it properly, all the wafers on side wafers. Maybe I'm wrong, so let me just do it again. I think there are, I don't know, 4 wafers on the side, maybe, and 4 wafers on top and bottom. So in total 12 wafers, I think. 1 click from the bottom, 2 click, 1 click, and 2nd click from the bottom. I think there are false gates, but I'm not really sure. So again, deep false set. Let me start from the top. 1st click, 2nd click, 3rd click, and click from 4th. So let me check again. The first nothing, 2nd is binding again, I think. Maybe not. 2nd, 3rd, 4th, they feel set. Side wafers, they all feel set. Let me check the top row. I think I touched wafer number 1. I set it. Let me check from the bottom. I touch a little click, and I touch from, I think, 3. So let me check the side wafers again. I think they all feel set. I'm missing something, probably 1 wafer, because I'm in that deep fall set. I'm not sure. The first one, nothing. So let me check the bottom again. Click from 1. The first wafers are always problematic for me to pick. I will lose my tension. So let me check. I think I overset something. 1 nothing, 2 nothing, 3 nothing. And we're open. It was wafer number 1 on the top row. Very nice pick, a little bit tricky to pick it, but yeah, that's the Chicago Illinois duo picked. I cannot cut this lock, so that's it guys. Have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.